Tesla stops production on the Model 3 and the Model Y. Yes, you heard that correct. Multiple factories located inside China and Germany, Giga Berlin to be more specific, will sit idle for the next few weeks. Why? Because they're stopping production. Not only that, Tesla also stopped taking orders for the Model 3, even though they actually broke an all-time production rate before this. And Tesla Model 3 long range stops taking orders online. When will it be back up? Hopefully it will be available in 2023, hopefully by January. The Tesla website further estimated that the Model 3 would be available to take orders January 2023. Why is this happening? Because Tesla is pausing production. As per the latest news by Electric, Tesla quietly stopped taking new orders. Elon Musk has previously warned against a time where EV market might stop taking orders on some of its vehicle. Yes, you heard that correct. Elon Musk did tweet about this a couple months ago, saying that the supply cannot meet demand. There is still not enough vehicles that Tesla makes in 1 year to actually sell to every single person that wants one. The demand is too high. It's basic economics 101. Why did they stop production? Because I made a video yesterday, new Tesla Model Y confirmed. This is bad news. Watch that video if you haven't. Basically, a new model of the Tesla Y is actually coming out, a new version, an updated version for sale in 2023. And due to this new Tesla Model Y, these new factories are actually beginning production right now as we speak, beginning of this month, to actually be able to sell this upgraded new Model Y next year, January 2023. Again, if you haven't watched that video, I will link it. I highly recommend you go watch it. A lot of insight, a lot of details, a lot of videos, real information. Real quick, my name's Average Tuber. I want to let you know I post new videos every day and I give away $100 in every video. Yes, you heard that right. Please hit that like button. You hit that like if you are subscribed and you leave a comment, any comment, even an emoji will do. You are automatically entered to the daily video giveaway. I give away $100. Like I said, if you haven't checked out this video, I highly recommend it. Basically, let's get to the very first article. Bloomberg, you know it's official, you know it's legit. Factories in China and Germany will sit idle for the next few weeks. Worldwide production climbed to an all-time high of 1 million vehicles made. As it states right here, let me zoom in. The electric car maker Tesla will halt most productions on its Model Y assembly line in Shanghai for the first 2 weeks on July, then stop the Model 3 in line for a 20-day stretch. Basically, they're stopping Model 3 and Model Y production. On Monday, Tesla Mag said that the car makers near Berlin will take a 2-week break. So they're taking a break in China and in Giga Berlin. The German site reported that Tesla aims roughly to double its production rate in August, citing that the company built over 1,000 Model Ys at the factory during the at least 1 week of last month's production. Not only that, the biggest blow to Tesla's performance last quarter came from Shanghai's week-long lockdown in response to the pandemic outbreak. I can't say that word. The company went to extraordinary lengths to reopen its factory, but people kept shutting it down. People kept getting sick. Whereas the other factories that Tesla has in Berlin, in Texas, are still actually continuing production. Berlin and Austin are losing billions of dollars right now because there's a ton of expense and hardly any output. Yes, owners of the Silicon Valley, May 3rd, getting Berlin and Austin functional and getting Shanghai back is the saddle fury of overwhelming our concern. You have Giga Berlin in Germany and you have Austin, Texas. These are actually opening up literally this month, but all of this so they can actually produce more Tesla vehicles, because right now, like I said in my last video, they are producing an updated version of the Model Y, a new Model Y starting this month. Not only that, but a new Tesla vehicle. If you haven't watched my channel, it's right here. Tesla just changed everything. Tesla Model 2. Is it going to be a Model 3 or a Model 2? But Tesla is either going to make an updated version of the Model 3 or they're going to make an overall new Tesla vehicle called the Model 2, which is going to be $25,000. Yes, you heard that correct. They're either going to update the Model 3 and drop its current price. Elon Musk did go on Twitter and said he wants to drop the current prices. But either way, like I said, the title of this video is Model 3 and Model Y production halts. This is 100% confirmed. Like I said, Bloomberg, very reputable, very legit. Let's zoom in one more time. As you can see, stated from Bloomberg, the electric car maker will halt most production on its Model Y assembly line, and they're also going to stop the production of the Model 3 in China, in Shanghai. People are getting sick, and in Texas and in Berlin, they want to upgrade the actual factory, upgrade the work, aka new vehicles, new models, new updates to the current Model Y. To boost the output from both vehicles is expected to be completed by the end of the year. What are your thoughts? Comment below. Like I said, said, I post daily videos and I give away $100. My name is Average Tuber. All I want to do is educate, inform, and entertain. Like I said, please hit that like, please hit that subscribe, leave a comment, any comment. I literally give away $100. I post daily videos every single day for almost 2 years. I have almost 1,200 videos, daily giveaways, 100% legit. Please hit that like button, share this on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching, for your likes, for your comments. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.